Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on WhatsApp ban my number, solution to unban WhatsApp number. In easy way, so make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps on this process. Now let's jump into the video. As you can see here, there is restriction that this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp app because your account number is banned. This could happen for different reasons, including your activity, your violated WhatsApp term, and sending too many messages or calls spamming to other users. The first thing we need to do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Search for WhatsApp. And if there is any update, then you need to update the WhatsApp app. And let's see if this account still cannot use WhatsApp problem. And if there is no update, then go down and click on developer website. And here in the website, tap on the menu on the top left to expand it. Tap on the Help Center. Now scroll down and tap on Contact Us. Here, select what WhatsApp app you are using. Now you need to enter your phone number and also enter your email address, your phone system. And here, as you can see, please enter your message below and explain that you have been banned from WhatsApp by mistake. Then after explaining, tap on Next Step. Now here you will find some answer. Just send the question after you submitted the form. Just wait for 24 hours for the team to email you on the problem. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.